video. In this video y'all are about to see, this is Gavin Sells and his girlfriend. They went juvenile hunt, and I know I'm just kidding, I'm a little late at getting this posted, but they went juvenile hunt, and what had happened, they had ended up roosting a bird the evening before, and they got out there, got him on the roost, heard him gobble. They had a blind set up in the middle of the field. They was hunting a big field or whatever. They got up about 3 o'clock, went out there, got everything set up, did what they needed to do, and then that bird came in, I think Gavin said about 6:20, about 6:25, and right after daylight, and she got it done. I'm proud of her for getting her first bird, and you know, Gavin's, not to toot his whistle or nothing, but Gavin's a hell of a turkey hunter, so you know, I'm glad he got to put his girlfriend on her first bird. She shot it with his little 410 and some TSS shells, but she laid the hammer down on that bird, and it was a really good bird. He had a buddy actually with him, and they doubled up that morning as well too. But this video is just kind of Gavin and his girlfriend out there hunting, and I hope y'all enjoy it. I know this ain't gonna be too long of a video, but you know, I have the video of the bird and what it looks like, and you know, kind of her reaction after, which is really cool. Gavin's not much of a filmer. He's more a run and gun hunter, so he does like it. But you know, this bird, I think he told me had 11-inch beard. I could be wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, Gavin, just down in the comments or something. But 11-inch beard, inch and a quarter spurs, and I think it weighed 26, 27 pounds, I think he said. So it is a hell of a bird. But you know, I hope y'all enjoy this video, and if you would, like this video and subscribe to our channel, we appreciate it. And hopefully we can get on the bird. I can get on the bird tomorrow. I'm headed home right now, but yeah, y'all enjoy this video.
What do you think about that?
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh God, 10 yards. He's toast.
That's so sad. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
God. He's got a pretty good beard on him. Hold him right there.
I'm so sorry.
Hold him. Grab his hand.
I'm so sorry.
He's heavy. God, that's a big bird. Grab him. You go. Hold him up.